Hello and welcome to another Tikey. Hope I find you all well and safe. It's been a while since my last video, that's because a lot has been going on. One of the things is I ripped out my previous office studio and currently in the middle of rebuilding that, so you can see the place is a bit of a mess, nothing more than normal. And also, I took a year off to do some travelling, then COVID come along, so it looks like this COVID seems to be staying around for a little bit longer, so I've decided to go back to work. So my time has been taken up actually working. I was lucky enough to find a job quite quickly when I started my search, so things have been rather busy lately. But going back to my previous video, quite a few of you asked me a couple of questions in there, and one of those was, what coffee do I drink? Actually, I don't drink that much coffee. I used to previously when I was working, because I was in the office, we drank coffee most of the time, we never had tea. So I decided to randomly select 3 companies to do a coffee tasting. So on Facebook I get a lot of suggestions for coffees, as well as for some reason mystery boxes and music. So there are some videos coming up on mystery boxes and music, but the 3 I selected were Skull Crusher, Marley, and somebody called Big Dick. So I selected these because of the ratings, and also I liked the look of their brand. So the first one I ordered was Skull Crusher. So I got the Skull Crusher strong coffee. That's this one here. When I ordered this, I also got myself the mug and the spoon. Don't know if you can see that, but yep. So from ordering to delivery, that took just 48 hours, so that was very quickly delivery on that one. I will put links to each of these coffees I'm sharing below, and also to their Facebook site and places like that. The next one I ordered was Marley's. Marley's is a Jamaican branded company in the style of Bob Marley. So we have their Misty Morning coffee, which again is a dark roast. Then we have their One Love, which is a medium roast organic bean coffee. Then we have my favourite, the Buffalo Soldier, which is a dark organic roast coffee. Again, as I said, I will put the link to these. These come in very nice presentation boxes, and it has their mission printed on it. So that took 3 days to turn up. Again, very good, very nicely packed, that one. So that was very nice. The third company I went with was Big Dick's. They actually took a bit longer because they also send you a personalised mug. I went for their Thunderbolt, twice the caffeine coffee. So for this, we will be doing a test of each of the coffees. That will be recorded next week, so if you do have any questions, please put them below, and I will make sure I try and answer those questions. If not, I will reach out to each of the company to get the answers for you. So with this, I need to get myself a nice coffee kettle. So I got myself a nice little kettle here. Here you can pick the temperature you want it at, and also you can keep it warm for up to 30 minutes on that. So I will be doing a review on that. So if you do have any questions, please put them below, or you know how to reach me via the normal channels. But this is just a quick one for today. The main review will be recorded next week, so please do put your questions forward. If you'd like me to sample anything else, please let me know, and I will see what I can do. But my next couple of videos after the coffee tasting will be what happened when I ordered a couple of the mystery boxes as seen via Facebook, and also when I ordered some music, because on Facebook you'll see there's quite a few artists, independent artists, who give away their albums for free. So I ended up randomly again selecting 3 artists, and we will have a look and review of theirs. So any questions or anything you'd like me to review, please feel free to put it below. But for now, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.